Prospect Valley Elementary. We are located in Wheat Ridge, Colorado, in the sought-after neighborhood of Applewood. We have kindergarten through 5th grade classrooms with approximately 500 students. And since our district's bond and mill levy recently passed, Prospect Valley will be getting a whole new building starting in 2022. Our mission is to provide a safe, fun, academically focused environment that promotes a love of learning and encourages students to think critically, work collaboratively, and feel confident advocating for themselves and others so they have a successful future. In order to do that, our vision will continue to be a school that provides all children with the best education possible. This includes outstanding staff, dedicated, committed, and hardworking. A group of teachers are taking gifted and talented courses to get their GT endorsement. Our school goal this year is centered around math. Teachers have taken part in professional development, especially inquiry lessons where students work collaboratively to problem solve a challenging and rigorous problem. Inquiry lessons also give students a chance to share out their mathematical thinking. We also have invested in an individualized online math program called Dreambox, where students are engaged with math and showing great success. On top of that, our staff genuinely cares for the well-being of each child. A rigorous curriculum that challenges all students. Wide variety of enrichment and extracurricular programs, including track and field, chess club, robotics club, choir, and student council, just to name 5 out of the 30 extracurricular activities we offer our students. This is a group of 5th and 6th graders who traveled to Washington, D.C. last year. Welcoming and friendly, child-centered environment. These photos are from Grandparents and Special Persons Day, where families are invited to spend the morning with our students. A community that values parent involvement and support. Our parent involvement is second to none. We have a generous PTA and a hardworking accountability team. The annual Gold Rush is a community-building fundraiser that helps support our one-to-one Chromebooks in grades 3 through 5 and other technology. This fundraiser, along with others, help fund numerous activities for our students, such as author visits and field trips. Students really enjoy seeing their teachers and community come together for a 5K and 1K fun run. Encouraging students to take responsibility for their learning and behavior. A Prospect Valley 5th grade student said, "I wanted this project to show that kids are as powerful as grown-ups and that we, as a community, are one big chain. Each student will be a link in our community chain. Every kid will get a strip of paper to write their name, and some way they will try to spread kindness. Just like the links in a chain, we are so much stronger when we are connected together." Way to go, Lily. Community that embraces diversity. More than a 5th of our population is Hispanic. Another 10th of our population is made up of ethnicities including American Indian, Asian, and African American. Our school works diligently to embrace all cultures in small ways, such as teaching kindness and building a robust and diverse school library. Philosophy that all students can learn and will be successful in school. Prospect Valley earned the highly esteemed Governor's Distinguished Improvement Award in 2014 and 2017. Additionally, our school has received an A rating from Colorado School Grades. Questions? Feel free to contact our principal, Bev Haney, or our School and Family Liaison, Kara Jacob, or go to our website. Hope to see you soon.